Now let's consider this question. We're told a farmer harvests 2/3 of his wheat crop in the morning and 3/8 in the afternoon. What fraction of his wheat was harvested and what fraction is left on the field? So that is, we have to find the total amount of wheat that was harvested on that day and the amount that is left on the field. Solution. To find the total amount of wheat harvested, we'll add the harvest of the morning plus the harvest of the afternoon. So the first part of the question, we would have 2/3 plus 3/8. And this would give us, now we find the LCM of 8 and 3. And the LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. So to the first fraction, we would have 24 divided by 3. And then we'll multiply that by 2. Plus, to the second fraction, we then have 24 divided by 8, which we will then multiply by 3. So here we would have 8 times 2 plus 3 times 3 over 24, which would give us 16 plus 9 over 24. Now, what is 16 plus 9? That is 24. So we have 24 over 24. And when we bring this, now we know the total amount of the wheat that was harvested. Now to question 2, to find what is left on the field. You will see that if all that he has is 1, since he has just one field, minus the fraction of the field that has been harvested in total, which is 24 over 24. What would this give us? This is like saying 1/1. Now, the LCM of 1 and 24 is 24. So when we apply 24 divided by 1, and then we multiply that by 1, then minus 24 divided by 24, I'll multiply that by 24. What do we have here? 24 divided by 1 is 24. So multiply by 1 minus 24 divided by 24 is 1. So multiply that by 24 all over 24. This would give us 24 times 1, 24, minus 1 times 24, 24 over 24. So at the end of the day, 24 minus 24 will give us 0 over 24, which is 0. So that tells us that after harvesting 2/3 of the field in the morning and 3/8 of the field in the afternoon, he has no wheat left on that field. Thank you.